This is only one of our installments of the Evotech 7010 series, as we also offer the 7012 and the 7014. Each model is specific to a certain load range. This model in particular is capable of 200 grams up to 250 kilograms. To turn this machine on, you simply navigate to the back of the machine where you will see a red power switch. Once you flip that switch on, it will automatically open our Horizon 4 software. This is the newest installment of our Horizon Hardness software that is only capable on these 27-inch monitors. Once your Horizon Hardness software is booted up, it will ask you to log in. Please keep in mind that with the automation on this machine, once you log in, two things will initialize: the turret as well as the XY stage. The turret will move up and it will rotate. The XY stage will also initialize and be moving, so please keep your hands away. Now that your Horizon Hardness software is booted up, you are free to focus on your sample and start testing. If you have any questions regarding the Evotech 7010 series, please contact our help desk here at Tinius Olsen.